Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about a little bit about CPS. CPS is Child Protective Services. I stress what those letters mean because you got to understand something. While it may appear to a person who's on the business end of a CPS inquiry that the government, CPS, an arm of the government, that the government is trying to terminate my rights, take away my kid, CPS is not involved as much in taking away your kid as it is in protecting children. That's why they're called Child Protective Services. CPS goes through a long process, and the government in turn going through a long process of trying to remedy the situation before it takes the drastic step of termination. The goal, in other words, is to protect the children. Protecting the children may mean removing the child from an environment. You got a child that's being beaten with a hanger and welts are being left all over the child's body. You better believe that the first order of business is going to take the kid out of there and put them in a temporary placement. But even in that scenario, the goal is to try and educate, to inform, to put people back on track, not to separate children and overburden an overly taxed foster environment, but rather to have children raised by their parents. That's really the goal. Now, sometimes that can be done by putting a safety plan in place, by educating the parents what to do, by giving them resources and coping mechanisms, how to handle certain situations. And sometimes there's a lot of success in doing that and keeping families together. And if that works, great. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it can't work because you've got one parent who has psychological problems and anger management issues, is alcohol or drug dependent, and simply cannot, because of their addictions, manage their handling of their children in a normal way, in a way that's not abusive. And in that situation, you better believe that the government, through CPS, will try to save that child, and that may involve terminating someone's rights. And I'll tell you one thing, once parental rights are terminated, it's over. You're not getting them back. If the parental rights are terminated basically means dead. Okay? So in that situation, the parent is not likely to ever have rights reinstated. So there's a lot that goes on before such a thing happens. And every effort is made to try and get parents back on track, to try and restore the family situation so that rights are not terminated. Every case is different though, and as you can tell by what I'm saying, it's very fact specific for your given case. If you have questions about what's going on in your household, of course, reach out, let us know, and we'll be glad to try and help you out.